Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it and now make sure that you're on the video mode. So let's tap on the video and now we can tap on the settings which are in the left upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the video section and at the very first position we've got the video quality. So let's tap on it and here we've got many options to choose from. We can set 8K, 4K, and here we've got two different options because the very first one is 60 frames per second and the second probably 30 frames per second. We've got FHD and the same situation, we've got the frames per second difference. And we can set the HD. So obviously it is up to you which option you like to use and which one will be the best for you. And all you have to do in order to change, simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, 4K with 60 frames per second, and as you can see it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.